What's up, YouTube? This is my bike check, my second one. I still have the same frame. It's an S&M. I don't know what kind. It's just an S&M. I have a premium 25-2 sprocket. Salt cranks. E-clap pedal. It's an Alienation Black Sheep rim. It's a complete double wall. The 9.2 driver. Odyssey seat. Primo seat post. Animal seat post clamp. Railed seat. S&M Redneck XLT stem. Some Odyssey dirt forks in white. Odyssey complete front wheel with the Odyssey hazard light hub. Eastern Wonder Year bars. Eastern Flyer grips with the Eastern Barnes. In the back I have a Fit Bike F Hugger tire, 1.95. In the front I have an Eastern Curb Monkey tire, 2.3, 21-inch top tube. A new fit bottom bracket. Odyssey headset. I think that's it. Oh, and some Shadow Conspiracy Little One pegs. Just took off the stickers. Alright, comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks. One last shot on my bike. Still have no chain.